Hello y'all, happy people, hope you guys doing great. Right, today lamb mince pulao, also known as Keema Pulao. It's nice and healthy. I've did my kind of twist. So got the ingredients. Very simple and easy recipe, guys. And I'm gonna show you how to cook in the instant pot, so more easy. So we're gonna put on a saute mode. We're going to add some olive oil. I'm gonna add some cumin seeds. Just wait the cumin starts popping. And I'm gonna add green chilies and some curry leaves. Give it a nice mix, saute them. Ginger garlic paste, freshly grounded. And I'm gonna add the mince now. Slowly, thoroughly, gently give it a nice mix and wait until the mince gets golden brown, guys, okay? There you go. I'm adding some carrots. Cook it for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna add some Garam Masala. Mix it thoroughly. And we're gonna add some sweet peppers. And some green peas. Pulao without peas, I can't imagine, so I need to add. And some coriander powder. Salt as per your taste. I love that smell, guys. It's so yum. That's it. And I'm gonna add some Basmati rice, a long grain rice. It's up to you guys, whatever rice you want to prefer, it's up to you. But make sure the ratio of the water is correct. So what I'm doing is I'm just giving a nice mix. I just want the whole spices and everything to be thoroughly mixed with the rice, and I'm gonna add some water now and mix it nicely. Be gentle, you don't want to break the rice. I'm gonna add some dry spices, guys, and I'm not gonna mix. I just want to infuse the flavors, that's it. I don't want to mix it or touch it anymore. I'm just gonna put those spices on the top. There you go. Cover and cook it using your Instant Pot rice button. Okay, that's done now. Wait until the steam is completely off. There you go. Delicious keema biryani ready to serve. Finely chopped spring onions for garnish. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much and stay tuned.